All right. So when you're working with Python, you're working in a Python virtual environment, you may run into a problem like this, where you try to run any pip command, but it keeps giving you this error, no Python at your whatever. It's just a simple fix. It's just a real simple fix. If you see a no Python error, all you gotta do is it means that what you probably did was that um you actually upgraded your I mean maybe you changed your Python. So what you did was like you probably just let me go to the virtual environment. As a matter of fact, I can just run it like so I'm gonna go into my environment variable, um environment. So now I can just open this my environment variable, and you notice that even when you have actually did the updates, you have changed your Python inside your environment variable. Maybe you downgraded from 3.12 to 3.11, whatever, but you're still getting this error. You know, all you have to do, it means that your virtual environment that your project is currently using is still using the old virtual environment. You see, this is where the problem is. It is this virtual environment that you were still using for your project. Since you have upgraded your Python, you have changed your Python, maybe downgraded or upgraded, you need to delete this virtual environment. Without doing that, this is never going to work. So what you need to do is just delete this virtual environment, the previous virtual environment. It will take away the old Python version, and then when you run whatever code that you want to run now, it's going to work like a charm. And then if you say, for instance, now pip, let me just create another virtual environment. I can just say python dash mvnv training virtual environment vnv, right? So that's going to create a new virtual environment, which is going to give me the scripts that I need. I can close this, and then my everything will begin to work, because now this is a new virtual environment which has grabbed the latest Python that I just installed. So if I want to run any pip command now, it runs. And I'm just going to say pip install, um, let me just say dash dash upgrade pip. All right. So as you can see, um, if you let me use this command, I'm just going to copy this command and I'm going to paste. Um, and then you can see it runs. That fixed the problem once. So all you have to do when you run into that problem is delete your virtual environment, the old virtual environment, and then reinstall a new virtual environment, and boom, you'll be good to go. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.